Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back to you with a voiceover. So the unit I am going to be reviewing today was sent to me by Tinashe Hair. Shout out to you, Tinashe Hair. I'm just showing you what all comes in their packaging. I did get some lashes, a wig cap, a mirror, and this 613 bob, and it is 10 inches long, y'all. And this is what it looks like. So right here I'm just showing you the bob. Okay, so the cap construction of this wig, it just comes, well, it does. It comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And right here, I'm just showing you guys the space and the hairline. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to be using the watercolor method, and I did use 3 Adore Me dyes. Shout out to Juicy for helping me out. That is Juicy right there. Okay, so I did use a full bottle of Ruby Red, a half a bottle of Truly Red, and a half a bottle of Wild Cherry. So we did put all of those in there, and I did get this from Slay by Sierra, so shout out to her because the color looks super dope on her. So I was like, oh my god, it would look cute on me. So Juicy decided he was gonna help me, and yeah, this is what we did. And now this water that we're using, it is very hot water. It's a mixture of boiling hot water and hot water out of the sink. And then I just put the hair in there. I was trying to see what type of color it was gonna be, and I stuck the hair in there and I let it sit for 15 minutes. Now truly this hair colored in about 5 minutes, but because she did 15, I decided to do 15. And then I rinsed it out with cool water, no shampoo or anything. Now I did apply my argan oil conditioner in that mixture, so I did that as well. I just didn't show that part, and I mean in the watercolor mixture. Not when I was washing it out. Okay, right here I just used some of my Fructis anti-frizz hair serum, and I flat ironed the hair. And yeah, this is the red that I got, y'all. This red is dope. Okay, y'all, this spray right here that I'm using is the Gots to Be Glued Freeze Spray. It's the Glam Force spray in the pink bottle. I did get it from Ulta. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply my wig using my dryer on a cool setting, and everything else is just basically routine, y'all. Everything that I normally do in all my other videos. I will try to remember to put all of the hair dyes, the semi-permanent dyes, down below in the description box so you guys can do this method. If I forget, y'all remind me in the comments, because you know I'm crazy. Y'all know I'm crazy, so definitely remind me. I also want to put a direct link to Slay by Sierra's channel because I did get this idea from her, so I want to give her credit. And yeah, so y'all definitely check out Tinashe Hair. This is my 2nd time working with this company. I do love this company, so shout out to them. And yeah, everything else I'm gonna let you know in the outro, so stay tuned for the outro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. y'all. So I am completely done styling this bob, and this is what I came up with. All of the details about the coloring and all that, I will say that is in either my voiceover, or I will put it in the description box of this video. Now, this hair was sent to me by Tinashe Hair, so shout out to Tinashe. You guys know I have worked with this company before, and I really did like the hair, so here we are again. Shout out to you, Tinashe. Okay, so this unit was a 613 10-inch bob, and I did decide to dye it red. You know, like, I was just feeling very Charlie Baltimore-ish, okay? So I wanted me some red hair, and yeah, and I did it using the watercolor method because it's super, super fast. I think this hair colored in like 4 or 5 minutes or so, but I did decide, because I was watching somebody else's video, I did decide to just leave it in there for 15 minutes in total. But I do know within 4 or 5 minutes it was this color. But I was like, look, I'm gonna follow it all the way through, you know, like, because I have a tendency to be like, all right, it's done, and then I have white splotches. So I did notice that the color was all the way through in, like, I am not lying, in like 5 minutes. But I didn't want to take any chances. I wanted to do it the exact same way that I had saw the person that had achieved this color. I wanted to do it the same way that she had. So I did leave it in for 15 minutes. So if you want to do that, you can. But like I said, within 5 minutes, I did notice that it was the color that I wanted it to be, which was this, honey. So I did use the Adore Me hair colors for this, and it is a semi-permanent hair color. And you guys know what, I'm not gonna just, it's basically all, everything that I'm saying right now, I know I'm gonna be saying it in my doggone voiceover, and I don't want to have to just, I know that all of that can be very repetitive, okay? So I'm not gonna even go there. Okay, so what else I did to this hair was, like, I didn't cut it. I didn't do anything. Like, the way that it's cut, that's how it came, honey. Like, yeah, shout out to you. Shout out to you, Tinashe, okay? This is really, to me, if you have, like, a neck that's not super long, and I don't. I have a very fat, kind of stubby neck. You know, it's kind of like, So if you're like me, you're 5'4", you don't have a super long neck, 10 inches will give you what you want, okay? It will give you what you want. You can do 8 inches. I do like 8 inches as well. But anything over 10 inches, it kind of hangs. Like, it doesn't lay like I need it to lay. And I've noticed, I found my bob inch, okay? You know, it's trial and error, because you can see something on somebody else and you be like, oh yes, that's the perfect bob, it's gonna look so good on me, blah 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 blah, and then you get it and child, because I know I have seen bobs on the Hearts and Cakes 90, also known as Brittany. You know, her name is actually Brittany, but her YouTube channel is the Hearts and Cakes 90, and I've seen bobs on her and I'm like, yes, oh my god, that looks so good. And then I get it and it's like down here on me. She's a really tall girl. She's really tall. She has a very swan like neck. She's like this elegant chick, okay? And I'm not that girl, okay? I am not her. I am not she. So bobs don't lay the same way on me. So you kind of have to find what suits you. You can look at us, or you can look at a YouTuber all day, but you're you, okay? So 10 inches works for me. If you're kind of on the shorter side and you don't have a very elegant swan-like neck like me, you have a fat, chubby neck, 10-inch and below is good for you, okay, when it comes to the bob. So, yeah, and like I said, I was going for a more Charlie Baltimore type look, y'all. If you don't know who Charlie Baltimore is, honey, look her up. Okay, look her up. I am a Charlie Baltimore fan. But, yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. I know red hair is not going to be everybody's cup of tea, especially red hair without dark roots. You can apply dark roots if you want to. Like I said, like this is just my swag. I'm not really a dark root fan. I will get dark roots every now and then, but I'm not a huge fan of dark roots. But, yeah, so the lace just basically melted in. I had no problems with the lace whatsoever. I did use my Sally Henson leg spray. I did not actually tint the lace. I just used that spray. And then after using the spray, I applied my Fit Me matte and poreless in the shade 360. This is a little bit darker than me, but I noticed that gives me, you know, what I want, because my makeup is darker than me. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I do wear a darker shade of makeup or foundation than I actually am. So I always like look like I got a tan, honey. Okay. I like to wear darker makeup. I like to wear a lot of bronzer and stuff. So by the time I'm through, I'm probably a whole different shade than what I actually am. But this is the shade that I am in my soul. Okay. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, sis. And yeah, I also use my cheat irons, and I also use my grandma's my hot comb, and to lay this area down right here. And because the part that they had, like the part that the wig came in, was more of a side part, I wanted a more of a middle part type look. So I did use my Tiki bedhead stick, and that just to lay it where I wanted it to lay. And I went over it after applying my Tiki bedhead stick with the hot comb, and yeah, that's how I achieved this right here. This look. I got an alfalfa going on up there, but yeah. And this is what we got. So I'm feeling it. Like I said, I know the red may not be everybody's cup of tea, but this unit did come in 613, not red, okay? It did come in 613. So that being said, you guys can dye it whatever color you want to, okay? This was just my look, okay? This is me getting my Charlie Baltimore on, okay? I think I'm gonna do blue next. Like, I think I'm definitely gonna do blue next. Now, I did try to do the red eyebrows. I felt very Ronald McDonald. It didn't look good on me. I've seen it look so good on plenty of people. It did not look good on me. Anytime I have ever tried the red eyebrows or any color eyebrows, it never comes out very good on me. I love it on others. I just don't like it on me. So, yeah. That's why they're now back dark. I had to wipe them off, child. Now, you may see some hints of red in there, but it's not as red as it was. Now, this I can do where you can just see some hints. But the whole red thing, yeah, it just didn't look good on me. But yeah, I am definitely feeling this hair as always. I have not experienced any shed, no tangling. It's nice hair. It's super, super soft. I did add some of my argan oil conditioner that I use on my natural hair. I did add that to the mixture. And yeah, that's how I don't know if that aided in the softness, but it is semi-permanent hair color. So usually it's soft anyway, but yeah, I did add that conditioner in there because I have seen a lot of YouTubers use the conditioner as well. And yeah. So anyways, y'all, let's do a full 360. We don't have to do a length check. Like, this is all of the hair right here. Let me stretch my neck. This is all the hair. So anyways, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it on the back. And this is it on the right side. And sadly, I have to take this unit off because I do have to go to work, and they don't allow these colors at work. So I gotta take this unit off. So let me wrap this thing up, y'all. I really, really do recommend you guys checking out Tinashe hair. I do like the company. Like I said, I do own another unit from them, and I like that hair. I wouldn't be repeatedly working with them if I didn't like the hair from the last time. I would shut that thing down, honey. Okay, I would shut it down. But yeah, I do like their hair. Their hair is really, really nice. And yeah, all of the information, everything you need to know about the hair will be listed down below in the description box for you guys' convenience. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button. Click it. Click it. I promise you will not be disappointed. If you are already subscribed, I really do appreciate your love and support. If you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.